Warriors! Now that you're in middle school, we need to update your Canva account to add you to the West Middle School team. It only takes a few clicks, so let's do it together. First, log into your Canva account. Look at the bottom left corner of your screen and click your profile icon. In the menu that pops up, hover over the team you are currently using, which may be your elementary school. You'll see a list of all the teams you belong to, including West Middle School. Under Switch Teams, select West Middle School. If you don't see it yet, ask your teacher to visit the Media Center and have Mrs. Fouts, your information literacy specialist, add you. Once you click it, your dashboard will refresh. You're all set. Now all of your new class projects and templates will be connected to your middle school. All of your old projects will still be available in your elementary team. Have fun creating!